નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, now we will move ahead in the same topic degree. But our target is what? How to change the degree. Last time we have completed 3 types of degrees are there. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree that we have already completed. But how to change from positive degree to comparative, comparative to superlative, superlative to comparative, superlative to positive, somewhere else positive to superlative. How to move? Where we should not go? Where we should go? That thing is most important for all of us. Why is it so? Because in the examination, especially in do as directed, the instruction would be change the degree. PD is given. Now you will move from PD to CD or PD to SD. That you have to judge first. Somewhere else CD is given. Now you will move from CD to SD or CD to PD. That you have to judge, and according to that only you will move ahead. So that your sentence will be correct. It will not be wrong one. Got the idea? What will you do to judge it? The most important thing is this. કોઈ પણ સાયકલ ચલાવીએ, બાઇક ચલાવીએ તો સૌથી પહેલું આપણે શું કરવું જોઈએ? ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ વી શુડ ચેક ધ બ્રેક. સૌથી પહેલા બ્રેક ચેક કરી લેવાની. એ બ્રેક ચેક કર્યા પછી ખબર પડે કેટલા ડિસ્ટન્સથી બ્રેક મારવી. કેટલાકની એકદમ લૂઝ બ્રેક હોય, મારીને થાકી જાવ ત્યારે માંડ ઊભી રહે. કેટલાકની એવી બ્રેક હોય કે સહેજડો ધડદીને ઊભી રહી જાય. તો ક્યારેક કેવું થાય કે આપણે આગળ ને ગાડી પાછળ. What is this? This is the most important thing what we should check first. When degrees sentence is given to you, the instruction would be change the degree. What will you do at that time? You will concentrate only on the comparative aspects. What is this comparative aspect? Last time only I told you, if there is only one thing, and I'll tell you, anything about the comparative aspect, this is wrong. Last time I તમને પૂછ્યું હતું કે ભાઈ મુંબઈ કેટલું દૂર છે? The answer is wrong whatsoever you will give. Why is it so? Because from which point I am asking to you that I have not given to you, that I have not discussed to you. એ તો તમને ખબર નથી તો પછી? It means first of all concentrate on the comparative aspect. Whenever you are going to change the degree, you have to concentrate on the comparative aspect. The comparative aspect માં શું છે? Two possibilities would be there. Based on these two possibilities, you will judge that you will move from SD to CD or SD to PD, from PD to CD, PD to SD, or only and only PD to CD, CD to PD. That you will come to know when you will concentrate on the comparative aspect. This is the most important thing. Now, the first thing is what? If the comparison is only and only between two aspects, only two aspects are there. Only two aspects. When comparison is fully based on only and only two aspects, at that time what will you do? If comparison is only and only for two aspects, you will move ahead from positive degree to comparative degree. And from comparative degree to positive degree, there is no chance for superlative degree. તો તમારી બોર્ડની પેપર પેટર્ન ચેન્જ થઈ ગઈ છે. 10th બોર્ડની અંદર જ્યારે ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ હતા ને ત્યારે બહુ સરસ રમત કરતા હતા એ લોકો. સીડીનું સેન્ટેન્સ આપે, પછી બધા ઓપ્શનની અંદર એસડીના સેન્ટેન્સ આપે, છેલ્લા ઓપ્શનની અંદર લખે નન. And none is the correct answer. Why is it so? Because comparison is only and only between two aspects. SD થાય જ નહીં તો કેવી રીતે એનો આન્સર આવે? And last answer is none. આપણને એમ થાય કે સાલું હાવ નન થોડું લખાય, એકાદું તો સાચું હોય ને, but that is only the real answer. The basic reason, the comparison is only and only between two aspects. SD શક્ય જ નથી તો કેવી રીતે SD થાય? Next to that, if the comparison is among three and more than three aspects, you see here, if the comparison is among three and more than three aspects, at the time you can move from positive degree to comparative degree to superlative degree. One thing I'll tell you, if comparison is given, you can move from CD to PD. If CD is given, you can move from CD to SD. If SD is given, you can move from SD to CD. If SD is given, you can move from SD to PD. એમ નથી સમજાતું, જ્યાં જેમ મન પડે ને એમ કરવાની છૂટ. But the condition is this: if the comparison is among three and more than three aspects. જો આમ હોય તો મન પડે એમ કરવાની છૂટ, but according to rules and regulations. બીજી એક વાત કરી દઉં, અહીંયા between લખ્યું છે, અહીંયા among લખ્યું છે. This thing also you will keep it in your mind. Between is used only and only for two aspects. And here I have talked to you about three and more than three aspects, so that I have written here among, I have written here between. This thing is much more important for you. Once again, whenever change the degree is there, any identities મગજમાં રાખવાની. From there you will judge whether the sentence is of PD or CD or it's of SD. પહેલા આ judge કરી લો, which degree sentence is given to you. પહેલી વાત, suppose CD is given. આ એટલા માટે CD એ રાખ્યું છે કે this is common in both the conditions. CD is common in both the conditions, so that I explain it to you with the example of CD. Given sentence is of CD, comparative degree. So possible है sir, you can move to PD also, you can move to SD also. Which one will be the correct one? Sure. If three aspects are there for the comparison, and if you have changed the CD into PD, nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong with that. Here we have written it. From CD to PD, from PD to CD. It is possible. But if only and only two aspects are given, तो तुम शू करशो? And if you have converted the same sentence into SD, then your sentence is wrong. Then you will ask me, I have written correct sentence for SD, why you have not written it correct one? You have made it wrong. Why is it so? Very simple idea. No need to ask me anything else. No need to ask me anything else. Why is it so? Because comparison is only and only in between two aspects. So that SD is not possible here. When SD is not possible and yet you have written the sentence for SD, that sentence will be wrong for you. In this way, I have completed the basic fundamental norm. How to change the degree. What is given and where will you go? It is given, whether you will go here or here, that is a question. આ વસ્તુ છે, 3 or more than 3 aspects are there, તો કોઈ ચિંતા કરવાની જરૂર નથી. Wherever you will go, that will do. જો અહીંયા છે, તો as it is not possible that you will think in your mind forever. 2 or 3 seconds, 5 seconds I'll give you for a screenshot. Have it and write down it.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.